Hello everyone, welcome to Nile 256, bringing you the latest news updates from around the world. You can stay informed by subscribing or hitting the bell icon below. Let's dive into today's update. Today's update is about floods, which have displaced over 23,000 in the West Nile of Uganda. So, according to a traveler named Mr. Patrick Okan, vehicles could not cross from West Nile to Kampala side and vice versa. One of the cars belonging to allied transporters was swept away by the floodwater. There is a rescue mission going on by Canon rescuers. He said, "Government should get serious and save us from this mess. We have suffered every time with short-time solutions of removing these accidents from the roads when it floods." Another traveler named Miss Joyce Aid said, "Why is government neglecting us? We need a better bridge and control of floods. It's an emergency. We need lasting solutions to these floods because the area has been tempered with a lot of floods in the recent past 6 years. Floods have cut off the West Nile at the same spot. The UNRA has for those years temporarily provided short-term solutions. Effects of these floods, the police relations officer for West Nile, Mr. Collins IC, said reports on the ground from Pakwach indicate an incident of a boat that capsized with 6 people during the intervention made by the rescue team consisting of UPDF Marine and Uganda National Road Authority. He said he was yet to get details from the response team. We are still waiting for more updates on the rescue mission, and some of those passengers in the taxi have been rescued, he said. The floods have affected the areas about 200 meters to Pakwach Bridge. The district chairperson of Pakwach, Mr. Stin Omoti, recently said they have written letters to the government agencies to quickly work on the new Pakwach Bridge in order to mitigate the effects of the floods. By the time of filling the report, several passengers were still stuck at the flooded areas. According to NTV Uganda, it said that one person has already been announced dead, and we are still waiting for more updates. I'll keep you updated. Remember to subscribe, like, comment for more.
Walero kusawa zibadde 10 awo kunye simu ngegamba nti kuna Biyonga Rise ne kuna Biyonga River waliwo flooding ebaddewo. So neziruka mangu nekubira abapoliisi babeerewo okutaasa abantu baffe baffe nga security. Kiri kya buvunaanyizibwa want to protecting abantu baffe n'ebintu byabwe. So enkuba etonye nnyingi nnyo, enkuba eyo n'esindika amazzi ne gakka eno mu Mbale City ne gakonsiringa omuzungu kyayita flooding ku river Nabiyonga. Almost kizeemu ng'ekyali luli, naye ku luno tusiima Katonda nti tewali omuntu afiiridde mu disaster eno. Njagala kusala okusiima abasirikale baffe nti babadde ku ground immediately n'abantu abawansi abatuwadde amawulire ne basobola okugondera amateeka ne babeera ku sayidi eri, abamu ne basigala eno. Naye wabaddewo drive omu avuga sinotruck atawulidde amateeka ga poliisi n'ag'abantu baffe, bamuyimiriza n'agaaniramu. So agenze n'atuuka mu makati, amazzi ne gamusutula kata badde abantu baffe bagenda kufiirawo. So tutwala omukisa okukoowola abantu ffenna ti disaster eno tebeerawo lwakuba bulungi, ebeerawo nti eze mu bubi. So tugondere byonna ebibeerawo nti Katonda yakozinga ebintu bino. So eventually amazzi gali kukendeera, abantu baffe kati bali kwambuka bulungi. Naye mbasaba mwenna abantu ba Mbale nti Nabiyonga Rise efuuse e disaster center, tubeere bakakkamu, tuvuge bulungi nga tumanye nti ku Nabiyonga Rise waliwo disaster oba flooding ebeerawo singa enkuba ebeera ng'etonnya. Ate kula gonna kagenda.